Let me tell you something I wish more people in our community heard earlier. A lot of us are not one good job away from freedom. We are one good business away from finally breathing. And I'm not saying everybody needs to become some millionaire CEO overnight. I'm saying a lot of Black families already know how to work hard. That's never been the issue. The issue is that too many of us only get paid when we show up. The moment we stop, the money stops. That's not freedom. That's survival with better branding. And in 2026, I really believe more Black families need to stop waiting for the perfect time and start looking at businesses that are realistic, low cost, and actually solve problems people will gladly pay for. This matters because the opportunity is real. The U.S. Census Bureau reported there were 194,885 Black-owned employer businesses in 2022, generating $211.8 billion in annual receipts and employing 1.6 million people. And the SBA says Black entrepreneurs own about 3.5 million businesses overall. So this is not some fantasy conversation. Black business is already happening. The question is whether more everyday people are going to step into it on purpose. And what I love about this moment is that you do not need a warehouse, a fancy office, or a rich uncle to get started. A lot of the best businesses right now are local, service-based, problem-solving, and can start small. That means this video is not just for the 22-year-old trying to escape a job. This is also for the 45-year-old trying to start over, the 58-year-old trying to build something after layoffs, the retiree who still has energy, wisdom, and bills. So to begin, you must first set up the core idea. Because the truth is, most people don't fail in business because they're lazy. They fail because they start with vibes. No numbers, no plan, no clear customer, no pricing, no system. They get excited for 3 weeks, overwhelmed by week 4, and broke by week 8. And if you're serious about starting something in 2026, you cannot afford to wing it. And that's where a service like LivePlan will help. If you've ever wanted to start a business, side hustle, or turn an idea into something that actually makes money, one thing most people skip is having a real plan. That's where this video's sponsor, LivePlan, comes in. LivePlan helps you map out your business idea, plan revenue, set goals, and actually understand the numbers without needing an MBA or giant spreadsheet. So whether you're starting a cleaning business, online business, or your first side hustle, check out LivePlan using my link in the description or in the pinned comment to see how it can help you build smarter. And thank you to LivePlan for sponsoring this video. Business number 1: pet sitting, dog walking, or pet waste removal. I know some people hear this and instantly think, that doesn't sound serious enough. But that's exactly why people miss money. People do not pay for what sounds impressive. They pay for what solves a problem. And pet care solves a real problem. Busy people feel guilty when they don't have time to walk the dog, clean up the yard, or handle grooming and care. That guilt turns into spending. The U.S. Chamber notes that 66% of U.S. households owned a pet in 2024, and that services like pet waste removal and mobile pet grooming are affordable to launch, easy to scale locally, and supported by strong demand from busy households. What I like about this business is that it's simple. You don't need to look rich. You don't need a storefront. You don't need a degree. You need trust, consistency, and reliability. And for older viewers especially, this can be a beautiful fit if you want something local, flexible, and relationship-based. Business number 2: senior companion or errand service. This one is underrated. Everybody talks about tech. Not enough people talk about aging. The Bureau of Labor Statistics lists home health and personal care aides among the fastest-growing occupations for 2024-2034, with 17% projected growth. That tells you something important. The need for help, support, and care is growing fast. Now, I'm not saying everybody watching needs to go open a medical company. I'm saying there is growing demand for simple support services. Grocery runs, transportation help, appointment support, check-in visits, medication reminders, light household help, companionship. And let's be honest, a lot of older people do not just need a service, they need someone dependable. This kind of business can be powerful because it's not just profitable, it's meaningful. If you are patient, trustworthy, organized, and people naturally feel safe around you, this is one of those businesses that can grow almost entirely through word of mouth.
Business number 3, residential or small commercial cleaning. Now this is one of the classic businesses for a reason. Cleaning is not flashy, it's needed. And businesses that solve constant problems tend to survive. The BLS lists janitors and building cleaners as one of the practical service categories that support everyday small business ownership. What makes cleaning powerful is that it can start lean. Basic supplies, a simple offer, a few reliable clients, and strong referrals. You can start with homes, apartments, offices, churches, barbershops, beauty suites, Airbnbs, move-out cleanings. And once you build trust, recurring money becomes possible. That's the key. A lot of people chase businesses that sound exciting, but never become stable. Cleaning can become stable fast if you stay consistent and professional. Business number 4, mobile notary or document service. This is one of my favorite business ideas for beginners and older people because it has something many other businesses don't. It feels instantly legitimate. When people see mobile notary, they immediately understand what it is. You're helping with documents people actually care about: real estate paperwork, medical forms, legal signatures, power of attorney forms, school and business documents. And here's what makes it strong. You're not selling entertainment. You're selling convenience, trust, and urgency. That combination is powerful. A lot of people would gladly pay extra to avoid driving across town, sitting in line, or trying to figure out paperwork on their own. This is also the kind of business that fits well if you are older, professional, detail-oriented, and want something that feels more structured than physical labor.
Number 5, bookkeeping, admin support, or virtual office help. This one is huge, especially for people who already have office experience and don't realize it can be turned into income. A lot of small business owners are good at their craft and terrible at the back office. They can cut hair, fix AC units, run a food business, clean houses, do taxes, but they are behind on invoices, emails, scheduling, receipts, and customer follow-up. That is where you come in. The U.S. Chamber's 2026 business trends highlight fractional bookkeeping and other service-based businesses as attractive, low-cost options because service businesses rely more on skill than heavy equipment or inventory. And the beautiful part is, this business can often start from home. Laptop, phone, internet, systems, that's it. If you are organized and good with details, this kind of business can quietly become one of the cleanest paths to steady income. Especially because once a client trusts you, they usually don't want to start over with someone else.
Business number 6, beauty, grooming, or personal care services. Let's be honest, Black communities have always understood the power of beauty businesses. Hair, braiding, barbering, skincare, nails, lashes, grooming. That's not just culture, that's economy. The BLS specifically identifies barbers, hairstylists, cosmetologists, manicurists, pedicurists, and skincare specialists as practical service occupations that connect directly to small business ownership. And what makes this lane special is repeat business. People do not get their hair done one time. They do not get lined up one time. They do not get facials one time. This is recurring. And recurring revenue is one of the most beautiful things in business. Now, yes, skill matters here. Licensing matters here. Professionalism matters here. But for people who already have the talent, 2026 is still a huge moment to think bigger than just taking appointments. Because once you build a loyal base, this can grow into products, classes, mobile service, a suite,
a salon, a school, or a brand?
Business number 7, a local digital service for offline businesses. Now, this one is for the people who don't want to do something super physical. A lot of local businesses still need help with Google business profiles, simple websites, social media posting, lead follow-up, email reminders, appointment setup, content creation. And here's the opportunity. The local roofer, the local dentist, the local daycare, the local barber, the local HVAC company. A lot of them know they need to be online, but they either don't have time or don't know what they're doing. That means if you can help them look organized and get more customers, you have a business. The SBA's Startup Guide makes this really clear in spirit. The winning business is not the one that sounds cool, it's the one that understands the market, defines the customer, creates a plan, and opens with structure. That is why I keep saying this. You do not need the most original idea. You need a real problem and a clear offer.
How to choose the right business for you. Now, let me help you avoid a big mistake. Do not choose a business just because it sounds profitable. Choose one that matches your energy, your season of life, your temperament, your actual skills, your available money, your daily reality. If you're older and don't want heavy physical labor, maybe not pressure washing. If you love people and want flexible work, maybe pet care or senior support. If you're organized, maybe bookkeeping or notary work. If you have a gift with beauty, maybe grooming or skincare. If you're tech comfortable, maybe digital services. The best business is not the one somebody on YouTube got rich from. It's the one you can actually sustain.